In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp Pricing Plans Explained, what to know before upgrading. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to go in your account, what to look for, and how to confidently pick the plan that matches your needs today and scales with you tomorrow. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the ClickUp website. If you already have an account, sign in. If you're brand new, you can create an account and explore the platform completely free. That free access is great for getting a feel for the interface before you commit to anything. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace. You can do this from your TeamSpace overview, where your workspace name is displayed prominently. Click your workspace name to open the area where you manage settings and plan details. This is your control center tier for everything related to how your team collaborates. Look for the settings icon, typically shown as a gear. Click it to open your workspace settings. Here, you'll see sections like Apps, Settings, Templates, and more. Useful places you might revisit later, but for now, we're focused on your plan. Next, select Billing. This is where you manage upgrades and downgrades, adjust your billing cycle, and see exactly what you're paying for. From Billing, click Upgrade to view the available plans. You'll see a breakdown of each package and what it includes, from Free through Business Plus, and Enterprise for advanced requirements. To make a truly informed choice, find the option to compare all features. This comparison view lays plans side by side so you can evaluate capabilities and limits at a glance. Things like automations, storage, views, permissions, and security. It's a powerful way to confirm you're not overpaying for features you won't use, or underestimating what your team will need in a few months. A few quick tips while you compare. Toggle between monthly and yearly pricing to see potential savings. Match the plan's seat count and feature caps to your real team size and workload. And consider your next 6 to 12 months so you choose a plan that won't bottleneck growth. When you've reviewed the details and the comparison, select the plan that aligns with your workflow and budget. Remember, you can always revisit billing to adjust later as your needs evolve. That's how you choose a ClickUp pricing plan with confidence. Take your time exploring the options. Verify the features that matter most to you, and pick the plan that supports your productivity journey. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this.